Hello everybody, you ready to make some delicious oat and raisin cookies for you to share with your family? Okay, good, so listen carefully to what you'll need. 100 grams of light brown sugar, 25 grams of granulated sugar, 115 grams of butter, 1 egg, half a tablespoon of golden syrup, 120 grams of porridge oats, 70 grams of raisins, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of cinnamon and a pinch of salt. And then lastly, you'll need 95 grams of plain flour. If you can't get your hands on plain flour, then you can get one of your parents to blend up 95 grams of oats to make oat flour. So let's start off by carefully whisking our butter and 2 sugars together. Don't make too much mess. And then add in your egg. Make sure you get an adult to help you with this bit. Then whisk, whisk, whisk. Scrape down the edges of the bowl to make sure that you don't miss any of the ingredients. Now it's the golden syrup's turn to get in the bowl. Next, the dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, add your flour, cinnamon, baking soda and salt, and then mix it all together. Now to put all of your hard work together, add your dry ingredients into your wet ingredients and whisk, whisk, whisk. Scrape down the sides of the bowl again. Don't forget the oats and raisins. Cover up your cookie mixture and let it cool down in the fridge for 30 minutes. While it's cooling, make sure you tidy up. Good job. Let's get baking. Oil and flour your baking tray and get an adult to preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius for you. Go and grab your cookie mixture out of the fridge. It's ready. Take 1 tablespoon of the mixture and roll it into a ball. Oh, that's cold. Keep rolling. Then get your mum or dad to put them in the oven for you for 14 minutes. Remember to set a timer. They smell delicious. You'll know that your cookies are ready when they're soft in the middle and hard on the outside. Soft in the middle and hard on the outside. Thank you for watching everybody. Enjoy your cookies and make sure you send me some pictures of your bakes, just like Jasmine and Amelia from Hertfordshire did. Wow, don't they look so yummy?